All right. So let's say you have a backpack, right? And you've decided that you want to light up your backpack. So you're going to put a bunch of LEDs. When there. Let's say you're going to have 6 LEDs. Okay. And this is like that little pouch on the back side of the backpack. There's a zipper. Right? And you're thinking, so, all right, this will be easy. I can hide my circuit inside the pouch. I'll put the battery pack in there, and the LEDs will just stick through the backpack fabric, and the legs will go into the pouch of the backpack. Right? The question is, where do you start wiring? And what I want to throw out there is this idea, what I call the ladder approach. Okay. So let's think about this. Each of these LEDs has 2 legs, right? 2 legs. One leg is the short one is the long one. Okay. Let's make all the bottom ones the long ones. Okay, we want all the legs to be oriented in the same way. So, to make a parallel circuit, that means I need to have multiple pathways for current to flow. I call this the ladder because watch what we're going to do. Okay, let's say we're going to put our battery over here. Okay, so put a B. And from the battery, we're going to take one of the wires, either the black or the red, right? And I'm going to connect all the long legs. All the long legs. I'm going to stop here. Okay? Then, the other wire, okay, I'm going to connect all the short legs. I'm going to bop over this wire, connect all the short legs. So now, let's trace this, okay? I've got current comes out, goes through the LED and back. Current comes out, goes through the LED and back. Current comes out, goes through the LED and back. Right? So we do loops, right? Just like a parallel circuit should be. Now we also though need to incorporate a resistor into each of these. Okay. So this might get really complex to build inside your backpack. And so what I actually encourage you to do is to build this outside first. And if you take a step back, can you see how this looks like a ladder? I have the legs of the ladder, and then these are the rungs. Okay, so I'm gonna build a ladder that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rungs in it. With 2 wires pre-measured and cut to length, I marked out common areas with a Sharpie. I then stripped the ends of the wire and then began to cut away the insulating coating at each of the spots I had marked on the wires. Each of these spots will become a connection point, creating the rungs of the ladder. This is where the LEDs and resistors will connect. I now have the 2 legs of my ladder. I then identified the LEDs and I oriented them so that all of the long legs were pointing in the same direction, towards the bottom of the screen. I then directly connected the calculated resistors to those long legs and then connected the other resistor leg to the wire. The other wire then was connected to the LED, a battery pack was installed, and then I double checked and traced the current. Now my circuit is ready to input into my device.